Hi guys, welcome to our ResearchBase YouTube channel. My name is Siegfried and today I will show you the interface of our research tool. In the following videos, I will go into more detail about the individual features. To make sure you don't miss any of our tutorials, I would ask you to subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, just write it in the comment section below. This is the search bar. Here you can enter any keyword and with the search button you will be redirected to the selected platform. Of course, you can preset many parameters before, like for example the marketplace or the product type. Here you can select the platform you want to be linked to. We have a lot of choices here: Amazon, print-on-demand sites, graphic resources, and important sites for your research. We also have a multi-search, but this I will show you in another video. We also have the ability to give you keyword suggestions directly from Amazon. Here you can paste each word into the search bar, copy it to the clipboard, or drop it into the keyword base. This is the keyword base. Here you can store and collect your found keywords. When you have all the keywords together, it's just one click and you can download them or copy them to the clipboard. Here you can download to CSV, Excel, or copy it to clipboard. Also, we have a trademark check for Germany and for the US, and we can show you the search volume. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and don't miss the next tutorials and updates.